Kia ora. Welcome back. In this video lesson, we're going to be using Polypad to solve the equation x minus 2 equals 4. So we'll go to Polypad, link is on our classroom page, and we have x take away 2, so there's minus 1, x minus 2 equal to 4. Tahi, urua, toru, ma, fa. Okay, so there we have x minus 2 equals 4. And since it's equals, we can balance that out. Okay, now we want to solve this. We want to get the x all by itself. And one thing that we've learned is that a negative 1 will be canceled out by a positive 1. So we're going to go ahead and add a positive 1 to cancel that. Well, that means I've got to add a positive 1 to the other side to keep everything balanced. Notice it comes back to being balanced when I've done the same thing to both sides. I want to get rid of that minus 1. So that means I've got to take a positive 1 to cancel that out. It's unbalanced. Why? When things are equal, they're the same. So if you do something to one side, you must do it to the other. Now we've canceled out those minus 2's, and we have 1x is equal to tahirua torupa rima ono. 1x equals 6. Now, if you want to look at that another way, x minus 2 is 4. I want to get the x by itself. Well, there's a minus 2 in the way. We can undo that minus 2 by adding 2. And if I add 2 to this side to preserve the equality, to keep everything equal, I've got to add 2 to the 4, which gives 6. So x equals 6. You're now ready to solve equations with Polypad or algebraically. Thanks for watching. Mauri ora, kakiteano.